Hello guys, this is my new rain suit for motorcycle rides. It's been a while since I got this from Amazon and it's been rainy for the past few weeks. This is lightweight and it's not bulky at all, so riding stays comfortable. You get the pants. And this is the jacket. And by the way, the hoodie is detachable, which is perfect. You can use this as windbreaker if you want. You have this nice reflective materials. And you have waterproof pockets. So, unlike my old rain gear, these seams hold up. So, completely waterproof. This is medium size and this fits perfectly without bulky layers. If you're considering wearing a thick jacket underneath, just size up one. Overall, this is lightweight, breathable, and I would say reliable. So I guess rain won't slow you down. Anyway, I hope you guys find this review helpful. Have a good night and stay safe.